Okay, I'm doing a short video to show you some of the results of my latest pins, just so you can see what I'm talking about. These are pins from yesterday. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Here's some more pins from yesterday. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. 0. These are all from yesterday. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. This was a promoted pin right here. It has 1.2 thousand promoted. 7, 0. This again is promoted pin. 0, 2. This purple one right here, promoted pin. 3, 1, 2. I mean, it just goes on and on and on. Again, this rugs right here is a promoted pin. Let's do older pins that are organic in nature as I scroll down. 3, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1. You can see they're just not even being seen by anybody, no matter what time of day I post, no matter what my pin looks like. They all have virtually 0 views. 0, 1, 2, maybe sometimes 3 or 4 if I'm lucky. I mean, the list just goes on. 0, 0, 0, 2, 0. I mean, what's the point of me making these very nice pins for my customers if no one is going to see any of my pins ever? So, I mean, it's just that's the problem. And if I go back 2 weeks, well, it's the same thing. They're not getting any traction, any views at all. I mean, I'm floating back now, several weeks ago, and there's just virtually no traffic at all. So, I mean, there absolutely has to be something going on with my account that is affecting, people seeing it. So as I go back here, I'm starting to get into pins that were prior to this August 16th shutdown, and I can show you the difference of pins. Here's one for 591, 137, and here we go, 2.9K, 1.1, 2K, 585, 3.3, 599, 757, 980, 5.3 thousand. These are all organic pins that I posted the exact same way as I'm still posting today. 940, 624, 642, 1000, 1000, 1000, 851, 1.8, 946, 585, 809, 1.1, and so on. I mean, every pin I'm making, prior to, 2 weeks ago, they're all 500s and into the thousands, views. Every single one. Here's one 3.1, 1.2, 1.6. So you can see where my pins were at 2, 3 weeks ago, and now I go back up to the top, and here's where I'm at: 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. They're not even registering. I mean, these pins don't just magically appear. I mean, I have to create them. I'm spending 2, 3 hours a day creating these really nice pins that people were loving on my account, and now they're not being seen. So, what's the point of me spending 2 to 3 hours a day making pins if no one is going to see them? And I, continually talk to Pinterest about it, and they keep telling me my account's in good shape. Well, obviously it's not. Let's go to my screen doesn't go up to analytics, but maybe I can pull it up anyway. The overview. Look at that. From August the 18th to September the 1st, just flatline dead. So, I don't know how anybody could look at this account and say that something is not affecting my account. When I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, over, I had 30 some pins yesterday that took me maybe 2 to 3 hours to make and schedule to get posted, all getting 0 views and 0 time reported. I mean, what? There's obviously something wrong. So can somebody please take a look at this and fix it? I would really appreciate it. Thank you.